one who tries to speak. Okay? I hope it is clear. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Yes. Hello, Ms. Sukran. How are you?
I'm so good, thank you. I'm very happy to meet you.
Here, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Are you from Turkey?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I know a few knowledge about Turkey. Can I share with you? And if I wrong, please correct me.
Of course, yes, please.
Turkey is a country, and it's located in two continents,
Yes.
Asia and Europe also. Okay, and one bridge which is start from Asia and end of Europe. And
I live in Asia part.
and
We are living in Asia part.
okay. Okay. In Turkey, 99% of Muslim population, and
Yes.
but Turkey is not a Muslim country. It's a secular country. It's a very amazing thing. Yes.
Yes.
And about Turkey, ma'am, some the dance form of Turkey, they create a half round, and the person who in front keep the hanky and like this, and they move their this body with music. I really like the dance form of Turkey. When I used TikTok, many videos I saw from Turkish dance. I really like the dance form. And one thing is really amazing thing for me. We are Muslims and we used to eat meat. But in Turkey, they are made some sweets also with meat. Is it true, ma'am?
We also eat meat.
Yeah, but the Turkish people are made sweets also by meat. Is it true?
No. I don't know anything
No.
about.
Okay. Okay,
No,
I
meat
heard
and meat.
something like that, ma'am. Okay, okay. Yeah. And one web series, Brave and Beautiful. Brave and Beautiful. I really like the web series from Turkey.
Yeah, we have very famous sweets. You know, Turkish delight, maybe you have heard about it, or baklava.
Yeah.
Yes, we
Turkish
love
delight.
eating sweet, but not with meat. Actually, we eat sweet after the meals.
Okay.
After the
Okay,
meals.
ma'am.
And also, I saw your dance figures. Two people were here in Diyarbakir last year, and they showed me how they dance in special days in my school. So I really liked their dance show. So we share the same
Okay.
feelings to each other.
Okay. In India, ma'am, different kind of dance forms because India is full of diversity. Every
Yeah.
state has a particular one dance form. So I don't know which
I
kind of
remember.
dance form you.
I remember the women were not Muslims, but I really liked their dancing style. And they said this is the common style of dancing in India. When we celebrate something, we dance like this. I don't know.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Nice to talk with you, ma'am.
Because I am not speak well, sir.
Wanna speak well, ma'am.
I feel.
Remove fan on कर दो. Class चल रही.
And actually, I understood what you said, Miss Urmila. Please feel comfortable while speaking.
Ma'am, please can you share some your hobbies?
Of course, here some of my hobbies are about handcrafts because I have,
मेरी class में
yeah,
कोई परेशान मत करो,
I have 2 little children.
चलिए।
So we are doing handcrafts together to make them get improved. And also, I really like reading books. And here are some of books. This is for my daughter. I like reading books to them.
Share.
And also knitting. You know knitting?
Yeah, I know knitting.
Yeah. So I love knitting very much.
Okay.
So could you tell me about your hobbies, please?
My hobbies is gardening, painting,
Mm.
and shopping. And
Mhm.
also, like, sleeping is more like much like.
Mhm. Actually, we can't do shopping in our country nowadays because all the shops are closed. What about your country? Can you do shopping nowadays?
Repeat, ma'am, your question.
Yeah, of course. In Turkey, most of the shops are closed because of coronavirus. They are closed. So I'm asking, is it the same with your country?
Yes, ma'am. Same condition is here. Here also all shops are closed.
Yeah. I hope things get well soon.
And last month I purchased some sari for my mother with online, but due to pandemic situation, online shopping is today cancelled. All shopping are cancelled.
Oh, you stop online shoppings also.
Yes.
Okay. We can do online shopping, but I really like doing face-to-face shopping. Yeah. Thank you. Any other questions?
Ma'am, you look so pretty. What is reason your beautifulness?
Oh, you're so kind. You're so kind, teacher.
People
Thank you
of
very much.
Turkey, they are very beautiful.
Ah, you're so kind. Thank you so much.
All Turkeys, yes. Yes.
Really? In our
Yeah. Yeah.
Halime
Yes.
Sultan. Who is she?
Who is she? Yeah.
Ah.
Yes, web series. Turkish
So,
web series are very famous in India.
so you are watching our TV series. Actually, I don't watch.
Videos series.
Really?
Yeah. And
Uh,
I'm a follower of Brave and Beautiful. Shani Ali Khan sir, have you ever seen Brave and Beautiful web series?
sorry, Firuza, can you please repeat it?
Brave and Beautiful.
Brave and Beautiful website.
Very nice,
I don't know.
sir. Very nice.
Actually, we have some TV series from India here in Turkey, and my mother is
Oh.
very is very fond of them.
Oh
but
my
I
God.
really don't know the name because I don't like watching TV series. Sorry. Actually,
Yes.
I don't know the ones in Turkish also.
Mic off.
Thank you so much, Shani Ali Khan sir. Thanks a lot. Ma'am, thank you for this treasure. People love your country, seriously speaking. So I'm, feeling too good, too much better that we are getting the teacher from Turkey.
I
It will
think
be a
you're
great session
saying good things to
discussing
my
things with
country.
you.
Thank you to be coming, welcoming me.
Ma'am, may I know your job, please? What are you doing these days?
Are you asking about my job, my occupation?
Yes.
I'm an English teacher.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Well, it's Love from Kashmir, India.
Thank you. I teach the puppies aged 13 to 18 years old.
I didn't get you, ma'am.
Are you asking about my students?
I didn't get you, ma'am.
Okay. Hello. I heard you are asking about my students, their age. Sorry.
No. I just
Okay.
talked about your dream job, actually.
Okay. So could you please let me ask you, what is your job then?
Well, I study besides I run my English academy. So that's my part-time job.
You're a student.
Well, not actually, but still I know to read, I know to study things. So I'm a student. Everyone is a student, I guess.
I'm so sorry. I couldn't get you.
Today's topic is present tense.
Actually, sir, our topic was tense. Our topic. You would like to discuss about present tense
Present tense.
today.
Present tense. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello. Yes, sir. Repeated daily. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uh, like
Yes,
I
sir.
drink milk, I sit there, I get up in morning, I sleep at night. Uh, like that, sir. Simple sentence,
Usually,
repeated
usually we use
mostly.
the universal facts with it.
Yes, sir. Subject
Yes.
plus first form of verb, and if third person singular number, we use s and es.
Subject plus verb plus object. There is a note. There is a note of present indefinite tense. Actually notice
First form.
if subject third.
Yes.
Yes, there are three persons. Three persons.
Yes, please. Yes, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Oh, sorry, 7. Really? Really? I,
We have I and we. We as plural form.
yes. Yes.
Yes,
you,
yes.
You.
You.
That
He,
person is he,
she,
she,
it,
it, and
he,
they.
He,
she, it,
she, it.
it.
What we are talking about, whom we are talking about, is the third person.
Yes.
so you are talking about singular and plural person.
Hey, that the class is online.
Second
Second
person.
person,
Third
third person.
Third person, yeah. Yeah, I got it. That's why I mixed, because I don't use this way to teach. So I mixed, sorry. Yeah, of course. Uh, shall I speak or you're asking someone else?
Miss Shukran, you are being asked.
Yeah, we are talking about English, so we use plural persons to use first form of the verbs. Only we use as with the verb with the third person, he, she, and it. And the other with other persons, we only use the first form of the verb. Just like
I find my weaknesses and work for it. So I sometimes realize I'm not comfortable when some person talk in English in front of me, and I quite. So I work for it, and I am speaking English for my confidence, because
Ah,
in this condition I am not feeling more confident. So
mhm.
only this reason, and the job and everything, I have a job and I am very happy. Only for my self confidence, I
Mm.
learning English now.
Okay. So, what's your job, Miss Firoza?
I am primary school teacher, ma'am.
Ah, nice to meet you, teacher.
Thank you. Same here, ma'am.
Okay. That's why I am asking, because when we are getting ready for a exam, that then we are trying to learn the grammar rules. If we are just trying to learn language to communicate, I think we don't need to learn about the grammar rules. Just speaking is better. Sorry, Miss Ali. Just talking about. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just trying to understand. Sorry.
Hit the sack.
So okay.
Even we have a dog with two tails.
Uh, Shani Ali Khan, sir. My brother is called me due to too much running. They are not connected today. Too much network issues. Yes, sir.
এই যে সেম বাংলাদেশ তোমার নেটওয়ার্ক ইস্যু স্যার ইয়া
Both are same places, sir. No, sir. They continue trying for joining, sir.
Sir, 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 I have a question to
They
you, sir.
all day waiting for this class, sir.
Hello,
Hello.
hello. Why we are disconnected due to, sir, actually I am saying to you why we are disconnected due to rain. What's the reason behind that?
I didn't get the question, Shanali sir. Can you please come again? Actually, the network towers get jammed due to heavy rainfall because they don't get the fuel at proper time. So that might be the reason of poor connection as well.
Yes, sir. फिर
Maybe we can meet later. Yes, I'm very busy in And now it is time to have dinner because I'm fasting at the same time. So I beg your pardon to leave. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, of course. I'm
Shukran, do
grateful
remember us
to
in your
meet-
prayers.
Sorry.
Do remember us in your prayers.